In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create docs and wiki pages in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform that helps you organize, collaborate, and manage your work all in one place. One of its standout features is the ability to create documentation and wiki pages right within your workspace. Whether you're creating a knowledge base for your team or organizing project details, this tutorial will guide you through the exact steps to get started. So, let's dive in and learn how to create docs and mark them as wiki pages in ClickUp. To begin, open your internet browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, sign in to your ClickUp account. You can do this by entering your email and password, or if you've connected a social login such as Google or Microsoft, you can use that option instead. If you're new to ClickUp and don't yet have an account, you'll find a link in the description below to sign up and get started. After logging in, if you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure to select the correct one where you want to create your documentation. You can choose the workspace from the drop-down menu in the top left corner of the screen. Once you're in the right place, let's move on to the next step. On the left-hand side of your screen, locate the navigation panel. Here, you'll see a section labeled Spaces. Spaces in ClickUp are like dedicated areas where you can organize your projects, tasks, and documentation. Select the space where you'd like to store your documentation. If you're unsure which space to choose, think about where your team or collaborators are most likely to search for this information. Now, within your selected space, look for a plus button. This button is used to add new items to your workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Docs. This will create a new document for you to start working on. Next, give your document a clear and descriptive title. Think about how your team might search for it later. A good title is specific and easy to understand, so take a moment to make it as searchable as possible. Once your document is created, it's time to organize your content. Use headings to break your document into sections. For example, you can use headings for an introduction, key points, or steps. Under each heading, add the detailed body text to provide all the necessary information. Remember, the goal is to make your document easy to read and navigate. To enhance your document, you can include images or links where necessary. For example, you might add a screenshot to clarify instructions or insert a link to an external resource. These elements can make your document more engaging and useful. When your content is ready, hover your mouse over the document in the list or within the Docs area. This will reveal additional options. Click on the one that allows you to mark the document as a wiki. In ClickUp, marking a document as a wiki means it will function as a reference page that's easy to find and update. After you've done this, confirm that the document has been successfully marked as a wiki. You can do this by looking for a visual indicator, such as an icon or label that identifies it as a wiki page. To make your wiki pages even more effective, maintain consistent titles and use clear headings. Each page should also include a brief introductory section to summarize its purpose. This will help anyone who accesses the wiki understand the content at a glance. Finally, consider creating a table of contents on the main wiki page. This will make navigation much easier, especially if your wiki contains multiple pages. A table of contents acts as a roadmap, allowing users to quickly find the information they're looking for. And that's it. You've now created a doc in ClickUp and marked it as a wiki page. By following these steps, you can make your documentation accessible, organized, and useful for your team. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.